While the rest of the world is dealing with the deadly menace of coronavirus, India seems to have not one but multiple problems at its border. After COVID-19, Amphan cyclone and locust attack, another major issue has occurred on the line of actual control. Both Indian and Chinese troops can be seen heading towards a face-off in several disputed areas along the LAC. Now we will give a glance to the basic issues which you need to be known. Previously, over the past 10 years, China appears to build a stranglehold on a large area of the Galwan Valley, which also includes a part of Ladakh region. Chinese troops have infiltrated the Indian territory to approx 3 to 4 km. During 1962 war with China, the Galway Valley was an area of stiff standoff, and since then, this is China's first attempt to make alteration on this part of the line of actual control. India has also released a larger number of troops to the distributed area in a counter move to Chinese movement in an area that is above 14,000 feet. Till now, not a single bullet has been fired from either side as per the agreement signed between them long ago. And the altercation of the borders are usually limited to fist and elbow fight, nothing more. However, on the contrary, this time usage of sticks and iron rod being used on one another has been reported. According to some senior official reports, China is planning to occupy and claim a portion of Ladakh and make it a difficult international issue for India. For settling the troops and use of heavy military equipments, according to several reports, 5,000 to 10,000 soldiers of the People's Liberation Army have dug in the ravine area with the military building makeshifts. Hello guys, the ebook for the month of December is available on our website. Get an exclusive discount of 30%. Use the code CFA30.